Hello everyone, my name is Akira Channel, and today I will be making a typing video after a long time. I don't think anybody of you here came for my typing videos. I think the only people who watched that were my friends. And I'm using my keyboard. Obviously it's not old because it's the only keyboard that I have, which I fixed, excluding this, because like there were a few keys that were broken that I really need to fix. And this is like a little snapshot of my setup, I guess. My fan here can be quite noisy at times. It might generate a lot of noise for you guys. You might hear constant like wind rushing to your face, and for that I am very sorry. I can't do anything about that. I don't have a mic because I I haven't bought one yet. So let's get right into the typing. Wow. Woo! Wow, I hit a 95. Whoa, okay. 773 in the leaderboard. Wow, I was 0% AFK. Okay, my consistency is 68. I am very much inconsistent with typing. At times I just freeze up. If you look here, I went through 29 WPM because like I'm the type of person like, oh shit. I'm very meticulous about hitting the what do you call it again, this instead of like doing control this. I'm not used to that yet, but I'll get used to it when I get back into typing. And with that, thank you for watching this video. This video is a very random one. If you guys like it, I might make more, but it's not necessarily the content that I try to make every day. So unless there's like a really big amount of people who really want me to do this, well, I'll do it again. But that's not gonna happen because my analytics. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.